Did you know that a simple tweak can skyrocket your earnings in affiliate marketing? Hello, and welcome back to our Make Money channel. Today's discussion is going to be all about affiliate marketing conversion optimization, a topic that many often misunderstood and overlooked in their pursuit of online fortune. In just a few moments, we will be unveiling the unbeaten path that successful affiliate marketers do to reap enormous rewards. And no, it's not as complicated as you might think. Now, why should you stick around till the last minute? It's simple. Today, we are not just talking about theories. We're bringing you proven strategies that can multiply your income, minus all the fluff. So, brace yourself, because these game-changing tactics can push your affiliate marketing venture to unprecedented heights. Stay tuned, and you'll get actionable tips and advice that could give your affiliate marketing game a massive boost it needs. Identify target audience. Understanding and identifying your target audience is a fundamental step in any type of marketing or promotional strategy. It involves thorough research to learn exactly who will be most interested in your product or service and how to best communicate with them. A target audience can be defined as a specific group of people with shared characteristics who are likely to be interested in your company's product or service. These characteristics can include demographics such as age, gender, income, occupation, education level, and geographic location. Additionally, psychographics such as lifestyle, behaviors, interests, and opinions can also be considered. One common method to identify a target audience is to create buyer personas. These are semi-fictional representations of your ideal customers, based on real data and some educated speculation. It can include information like what a typical day looks like for them, what challenges they face, what motivates them, and how they make decisions. Here, businesses can incorporate their products or services as solutions that this persona might seek. Another way to identify your target audience is by looking at your existing customer base, especially the most loyal ones, and find common characteristics they have. You can also conduct market research, surveys, and interviews for acquiring more comprehensive data. Identifying the right target audience has great benefits. By understanding who is most likely to be interested in your product or service, you can tailor your message and marketing strategy to resonate specifically with this group. It helps in optimizing your resources, improving customer service, creating more engaging content, boosting customer retention, and overall, making higher sales and profits. Ultimately, identifying your target audience allows businesses to focus their resources on the prospects with the highest potential to convert, effectively enhancing the return on investment for their marketing efforts. Select relevant affiliate products or services. Choosing the right affiliate products or services is critical in the success of an affiliate marketing strategy. You want to promote items that not only deliver quality and value to your audience but also align well with your brand and niche. It can make the difference between a profitable program and a waste of precious time and resources. Here's how you can choose relevant affiliate products or services. Understand your audience. Understanding your audience's needs, wants, and preferences is pivotal. You should know what products or services your audience is interested in or what problems they are trying to solve. Then you can choose the products or services that meet these needs. Choose relevant products. Always try to pick products or services relevant to your site or blog content and which fit naturally within your site's experience. Promoting irrelevant products might make it difficult to convince your audience to buy the product. Quality over quantity. It's better to have a few high-quality products or services rather than a large number of products that are not helpful or valuable. Your audience will appreciate the honesty and depth of your recommendations. Look for high commission rates. While it's not the only factor to consider, a higher commission rate makes a product more attractive for affiliates. It might also indicate that the product is selling well, which could translate to a higher potential income for affiliates. Vendor's reputation. You have to consider the reputation of the vendor while choosing a product or service for affiliate marketing. Check their website, product reviews, and the selling rating. It's better to choose a vendor with a higher selling rate and good standing in the market. Promote products you believe in. Your authenticity will resonate with your audience, and when you genuinely believe in a product or service, it will come across in your promotions and boost your conversions. Diversify. Try promoting a mix of products or services related to your niche. This strategy can help you reach a wider audience and increase your potential earnings, and it's a way to protect your business against changes in marketing trends. Evergreen products. These are products that are always in demand, no matter what time of the year or season. By selecting evergreen products, you ensure that your selected items will continue to generate income for you throughout the year. While choosing the right product or service for affiliate marketing takes time and research, It is an integral part of your success as an affiliate marketer. Be patient and keep refining your product portfolio to optimize your affiliate marketing strategy. Build a user-friendly and attractive website. To build a user-friendly and attractive website, you need to focus on three main aspects: design, content, and usability. Design. The design is a major factor that contributes to the aesthetics of the website. Good design enhances the look and feel of your site and ensures that it's visually appealing. It includes elements like colors, images, fonts, and layout. When selecting these aspects, keep in mind the kind of mood and message you want to communicate to your audience. Make sure the design complements your brand image. Choose colors that represent your brand and create a sense of trust and reliability. Use high-quality images and videos to engage visitors. The text font should be easy to read and consistent across all pages. The layout should be intuitive, and the elements should be well arranged to facilitate navigation. Content. The content of the website should be informative, concise, and relevant. It should immediately inform the visitors about who you are, what you offer, and how they can benefit from your services or products. The content should be well organized, with proper headers, subheaders, bullet points, and paragraphs to facilitate reading. Use persuasive and engaging language to prompt visitors to take action. Usability. Your website should be user-friendly, meaning it's easy to navigate, responsive, and quick to load. Use clear and intuitive navigation menus to make it easy for visitors to find what they're looking for. The website should be responsive so that it can adapt to various screen sizes. It's crucial because more people are accessing the internet using smartphones and tablets. Ensure that the website loads quickly because a slow-loading web page frustrates users and may make visitors abandon your site. Also, your website needs to be accessible for users with disabilities, like using alternative text for images or providing transcripts for audio content. Remember to include contact information that's easily visible and a call to action, CTA, to guide your visitors on what to do next, such as contact us, shop now, sign up, or learn more. Lastly, don't forget about SEO, search engine optimization. It includes practices that make your site easier to find by search engines, which will drive more traffic to your website. Regular testing and updates. Regular testing of your website is essential. It helps identify any usability issues that your visitors might face while navigating your website. If identified, having regular updates is crucial. Trends and audience behaviors change, so your website needs to adapt to these changes to stay relevant and effective. Incorporate social proof. Consider including testimonials, reviews, case studies, or client logos on your website. They serve as social validation and create trust among your potential customers. Easy checkout process for e-commerce websites. The checkout process should be straightforward and secure, with clear information on shipping costs and times, returns policies, and customer service contacts. Remember, the goal is not just to make a beautiful website but also to create an effective tool for your business. Create engaging and valuable content. Creating engaging and valuable content is crucial for any business or individual trying to attract and retain an audience or clients. Good content is what sets you apart from the masses and delivers the right message into the hearts and minds of your customers. It bridges the gap between the customer's needs and the solutions you provide. Creating engaging and valuable content means understanding your audience's needs and addressing them in the most appealing and interesting way. Knowing your target audience's interests, pain points, and preferences can guide your content creation process towards providing relevant, valuable, and timely content. Here are some key points to remember. Prioritize quality over quantity. It's better to have fewer pieces of well-written, substantive and concise content than lots of poor quality content. High-quality content can enhance your credibility, improve your SEO rankings, and encourage people to come back for more. Be original. Whether you're writing blog posts, creating videos, or posting on social media, always aim to create fresh, unique content. Copying or plagiarizing content can harm your reputation and cause legal issues. Make it engaging. Engage your audience by encouraging comments, shares, and discussions. This can be as simple as asking a question at the end of a blog post, or creating a poll on social media. The more engagement your content generates, the more valuable it will become. Use visuals. Adding visuals, be it images, infographics, or videos, can significantly enhance the attractiveness of your content. Visuals can break up long sections of text, illustrate important points, and significantly increase shares and engagement. Provide value. To attract and retain an audience, your content should offer something valuable. This could be educational content that teaches readers something new, entertainment that brightens their day, or a new perspective on an interesting topic. Optimization for SEO. Incorporating relevant keywords, using headings, subheadings, and linking to authoritative sources can improve your SEO and increase your visibility on search engine results pages, SERPs. Regularly review and update your content. This ensures your content remains relevant, accurate, and provides evergreen value to your audience. Track your success. Use tools to measure website traffic, engagement rate, conversion rate, etc. to understand how your content is performing. This information can then be used to inform future content strategies. Creating engaging and valuable content takes effort and time, but the rewards, increased audience engagement, improved brand reputation, stronger customer relationships, and ultimately, higher conversion rates, are well worth it. Implement SEO strategies. Implementing SEO strategies involves a mix of various tactics and methods that aim to increase a website's visibility on search engine results pages, SERPs. Keyword research. This is the very first step in SEO where you identify popular words and phrases people enter into search engines while looking for a product or service similar to yours. The goal is to rank for those keywords to attract those users to your website. On-page optimization. This involves optimizing elements on your website, such as titles, headings, and content, with relevant keywords. It also includes optimizing meta descriptions, image alt tags, and URL structures. A well-structured, intuitive website is more likely to be favored by search engines. Content marketing. Quality content is essential for a successful SEO strategy. This can involve creating a mix of blog posts, articles, infographics, videos, and other types of content that provide value to your audience, and hence, rank higher in search engine results. Off-page optimization. This refers to all the activities you do away from your website to raise the ranking of a page with search engines. Popular methods include link building, social media marketing, and influencer outreach. Not only does this enhance your site's credibility and rank, but it also drives traffic from other platforms. Technical SEO. This focuses on improving your site's backend structure and foundation. It involves improving site speed, mobile optimization, indexing, crawlability, site architecture, structured data, and security. A technically optimized site provides a better user experience, leading to improved search rankings. Local SEO. If you're running a local business, you'll want to focus on local SEO strategies, which involve listing your business on online directories like Google My Business and optimizing your site for local keywords. Analytics and reporting. Measuring SEO results with tools like Google Analytics can help you understand what's working and what isn't. You can then adjust your SEO strategies and tactics accordingly for improved results. Stay updated. SEO is an ever-evolving field where algorithms and best practices change over time. Be sure to stay updated with the latest SEO news and changes to maintain your rankings. SEO implementation requires time, consistency, and patience but can yield significant benefits in terms of organic online visibility, improved website traffic, and ultimately, increased leads and sales. Utilize email marketing. Email marketing remains an essential tool for businesses, despite the rise of social media and other modern communication platforms. It's an effective way to reach a sizable audience, provide them with valuable content, and ultimately encourage customer loyalty or increase sales. To utilize email marketing successfully, begin by building a quality email list. This typically involves obtaining people's emails in a fair and legal way, like when they subscribe to your newsletter, make a purchase, or sign up for a service. Avoid purchasing email lists as these individuals did not willingly opt in to receive your emails, which can damage your reputation and also violate privacy laws. Once you've built your email list, it's all about delivering value to your audience. This can be achieved in a number of ways. Promotions and discounts. People love to receive discounts, so provide promotional codes or special deals exclusive to your email subscribers. Updates and news. Whether you're launching a new product, updating business hours, or changing policies, let your customers know through an email update. Valuable content. Send helpful guides, informative blog posts, or links to interesting content. This keeps your subscribers engaged and also builds trust in your brand. Additionally, ensure your emails are personalized. If possible, use your subscriber's name in the email, and tailor the content to their interests or past purchases. Another key element is to optimize your emails for mobile devices since the majority of people access their emails through their smartphones. Emails that do not display properly on mobile devices will likely be deleted and undermine your email marketing efforts. The frequency of your emails matters too. Too many emails can annoy subscribers and lead to a higher unsubscribe rate. Conversely, emailing too infrequently can cause subscribers to forget about your brand. Finding a balance can vary depending on your audience and the type of business. It's also recommended to test various elements of your emails, such as subject lines, send times, and content types. This can help you to learn what works best with your audience and increase the efficacy of your campaigns. Finally, always track and analyze your email marketing metrics. Open rate, click-through rate, unsubscribe rate, and conversion rate can provide valuable insights into your email campaign performance and help to refine your strategy. In conclusion, email marketing is much more than just sending out a bulk message. It's a strategic process that, when done correctly, can result in increased customer loyalty, more conversions, and a higher return on investment. Leverage social media platforms for promotion. Social media platforms are a potent tool for promoting businesses, products, or services. They offer an inexpensive and efficient way to reach a massive audience worldwide. Through social media, you can target specific demographics based on interests, location, and age, making your promotional efforts more effective and relevant. The first step in leveraging social media for promotion is choosing the right platforms. Different social media have different strengths, user base, and demographics. For example, you can use Instagram to showcase your products through images or use LinkedIn to establish authority in your industry. Facebook is ideal for sharing content, promoting events, and engaging with customers, while Twitter is great for quick updates, news, and customer service. After picking the right platforms, you need to create and share valuable content. Users engage in content that is informative, entertaining, or inspiring. Moreover, using attention-grabbing visuals or videos can significantly boost engagement and sharing rates. Always incorporate strong call to actions in your content to encourage users to take the desired action, like signing up for a newsletter, visiting your website, or making a purchase. Influencer partnership is another powerful method to leverage social media for promotion. Influencers can help you reach a wider audience and add credibility to your business. Their endorsement of your product can encourage their followers to try it out. Paid advertisements are another way to leverage social media platforms. Ads can help you reach more people beyond your current followers. Most social media platforms offer an advertising service that enables you to target a specific audience. Engagement is key in social media promotion. Make sure to interact with your audience by responding promptly to comments and direct messages, and like or share user-generated content. Hosting contests or giveaways is another effective strategy to boost engagement and increase visibility. Measuring your performance is equally essential. Analyze your metrics to identify which strategies are working and which ones aren't. Social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram provide data on reach, engagement, and conversion rate. Lastly, it's important to stay current with the latest social media trends and platform updates. These can offer new ways to connect with your audience and more effectively promote your business. It's also crucial to maintain a consistent posting schedule and unique brand voice across all platforms. In conclusion, with a well-planned strategy and effective engagement, social media platforms can bring remarkable success to your promotional efforts. Use landing pages effectively. Landing pages are one of the essential marketing tools used in online advertising campaigns. When used correctly, these pages have the potential to skyrocket conversions, generate leads, and promote products or services effectively. Here are some ways to use landing pages effectively. Clear and concise headlines. The headline of your landing page should clearly describe what your brand offers. It should be compelling enough to grab your visitors' attention instantly. Strong call to action. A strong call to action is essential. It helps guide users towards your goal conversion, whether it's signing up for a newsletter, buying a product, or booking a consultation. Keep it simple. Avoid adding unnecessary information or features that might distract visitors from your call to action. Stick to essential data to keep your landing page design clean and focused. Use images and videos. Visual content is more engaging than text. Use high-quality images or videos that are relevant to your offer. They will not only make your landing page more appealing but also aid in explaining your services or products effectively. Mobile optimization. With the increasing use of smartphones, it's crucial to ensure that your landing page is optimized for mobile. A mobile-friendly landing page can result in higher engagement rates. Test and modify. Regular testing and modification based on user behavior helps in increasing the effectiveness of landing pages. Use A/B testing to check which design, headline, or call to action is delivering the best results. Use testimonials. Testimonials or reviews from satisfied customers can build trust in your products or services. This can effectively increase the conversion rates. Analyze performance. Use analytics tools to understand user behavior and gather insights on how they interact with your landing page. It can aid you in improving and optimizing your page for better results. It's crucial to remember that the aim of a landing page is to guide traffic in the best possible way to achieve your business outcome, and every element should be designed with this in mind. Making these strategic decisions while designing your landing page can significantly help in meeting your marketing objectives. Track and analyze performance with analytics. Track and analyze performance using analytics is all about leveraging the power of data to understand how well a particular process, system, or business model is working. This can apply to a whole host of different fields, from marketing and sales to IT and finance, and can be a crucial tool for businesses of all sizes. An analytics system collects and sorts data on different performance metrics, which can vary greatly depending on the specific business or sector. In a marketing context, for example, one might track the success of various campaigns or initiatives by analyzing click-through rates, sales conversions, social media engagement, and so on. Similarly, a financial team can track and analyze factors like profit and loss, revenue growth, and cost efficiency. Data analytics can help a company identify not just how well they are doing, but also why they are performing at their current level. It's not enough to know that a certain process isn't working. Businesses need to understand why it's not working so they can make strategic tweaks and adjustments. The why can be found in the patterns and correlations that are revealed through analytics. The use of analytics to track and analyze performance can offer numerous benefits, including efficiency improvement. By accurately understanding their performance, businesses can streamline processes, eliminate inefficiencies, and reduce costs. Informed decision-making. Analytics can offer critical insights that inform strategic decisions, leading to better outcomes. Identifying trends. With analytics, companies can identify and react to trends more quickly, keeping them ahead of the competition. Risk management. Analytics can highlight potential risks, allowing businesses to take preventative measures. Customer understanding. Particularly in fields like marketing and sales, analytics can provide a deep understanding of customer behavior and preferences, leading to improved customer satisfaction and loyalty. In conclusion, tracking and analyzing performance using analytics allows for strategic decision-making and forward planning. It helps in diagnosing weak points, developing appropriate solutions, and subsequently testing the effectiveness of those changes. Done properly, it can significantly improve the profitability, efficiency, and competitiveness of a business. A/B test different elements: content, design, placement. A/B testing, also known as split or bucket testing, compares two versions of the same web page, app, or other digital product to determine which performs better. It's essentially an experiment where two or more variants are shown to users at random, and statistical analysis is used to identify which version is more effective for a given conversion goal. The elements that can be A/B tested are vast and include variables within content, design, and placement. Content. One of the key elements that can be A/B tested is content. This could include headlines, body content, CTA text, emails, video content, and more. For instance, if you're running an email campaign, you might test two different subject lines to see which one has a higher open rate. Similarly, if you're trying to increase conversions on a landing page, you might test the text on the CTA button, say, "Buy now," versus "Add to cart." Design. The design of digital assets, such as websites or email templates, can significantly influence user engagement and conversion rates. A/B testing can be used to compare different design elements like fonts, colors, images, buttons, layouts, and so on. For instance, you might create two versions of a landing page with different button colors, e.g., red versus blue, to see which one attracts more clicks. Placement. Placement pertains to where specific elements are situated on a page. This could include the positioning of CTAs, photos, ads, forms, and other vital components. For instance, you might test whether a sign-up form gets better conversions when placed above the fold on the landing page compared to the bottom. In conclusion, A/B testing is a valuable method for understanding what works best in terms of content, design, and placement. It provides hard data that can inform decision-making, rather than relying on gut feelings or assumptions. With A/B testing, each part of your digital product can be optimized for outcomes. Create a compelling call to action. A call to action, CTA, is a prompt on a website that tells the user to take a certain action. It's a key element of any effective marketing campaign, as it can greatly influence the conversion rate and overall effectiveness of your strategy. The purpose of a CTA is to direct your site visitors toward your goal. The goal could be anything, from purchasing a product, signing up for a newsletter, registering for an event, or even just downloading a free resource. Creating a compelling call to action involves several key elements. Use actionable language. Your CTA should be short, concise, and command-based. It should focus on what action you want your users to perform. For example, words like buy, sign up, subscribe, or download can urge users to interact with your site and increase your conversion rate. Provide a clear value proposition. Users are more likely to act on your CTA if they understand what they'll gain from it. Your value proposition should clearly state the benefits of completing the action. Make it stand out. Your CTA should be visually appealing and stand out from the rest of the content on your website. Consider using contrasting colors, large text, and ample whitespace around your CTA button. Stimulate urgency. Give potential customers a reason to act quickly. Phrases such as limited stock, today only, offer expires soon, makes the visitor feel that they may miss out if they don't act promptly. Address potential obstacles. If people think fulfilling the action will take too much work or time, they'll likely skip it. Try to minimize these barriers by making the process sound as simple as possible. Test and optimize. Not every CTA will work perfectly on the first try. It's important to continually test different wordings, designs, and placements for your CTA and adapt it based on the results. Remember, the most effective CTAs are those which take into account the user's location within the buying cycle. Tailoring your CTA to suit your audience's needs ensures maximum engagement and leads to higher conversion rates. A compelling CTA can steer your potential customers in the right direction and can significantly influence their decision to engage with your brand. Make use of retargeting tactics. Retargeting tactics are instrumental marketing strategies that involve re-engaging people who have already interacted with your brand or visited your website. This approach focuses on individuals who have shown a degree of interest in your products or services but did not complete a purchase or other desired actions. There are various ways to implement retargeting tactics. Pixel-based retargeting. This is the most common type of retargeting, where a JavaScript pixel is placed on the user's browser when they visit a website, causing them to be added to a retargeting list. When they navigate away from the site, this pixel lets retargeting platforms serve targeted ads related to the products or pages they visited on your website. List-based retargeting. In this case, retargeting is done based on a list of contacts already in your possession. An example of this would be uploading an email list to a social media platform, such as Facebook, which will serve your ads to users associated with these emails. Search retargeting. This is conducted based on user search queries. If a user searches for a particular keyword that relates to your brand or products, you can target them with relevant ads. Email retargeting. Here, tailored ads displayed through a web page are based on the actions individuals have taken in your emails, providing another opportunity to re-engage the recipient. Social media retargeting. Platforms like Facebook and Instagram have their own retargeting capabilities. Once users have visited your website, you can serve them with customized ads next time they visit their social media platforms. Cross-device retargeting. This allows you to serve retargeted ads to people who have interacted with your brand on one device, say a mobile phone, and retarget them when they use another device, like a desktop. Retargeting is beneficial in increasing brand awareness, boosting conversions, and maximizing return on ad spend. However, it's vital to use retargeting thoughtfully. Bombarding users with the same ad can lead to ad fatigue and create a negative impression of your brand. Best practices include segmenting your audience, personalizing retargeted ads, setting frequency caps, and testing different ad variations to identify the most effective strategy for your business. Improve website speed. Website speed is a critical factor in providing a good user experience. Site visitors are likely to abandon a website that takes more than 3 seconds to load, which may lead to lower traffic, less customer engagement, and a decrease in revenue. Here are some tips for improving the speed of your website. Optimize image sizes. Large, high-quality images can significantly slow down your website. Using image optimization tools, you can reduce the file size of your images without losing quality. Enable compression. Use software applications for file compression, like gzip, to reduce the size of your CSS, HTML, and JavaScript files that are larger than 150 bytes. Minimize HTTP requests. Each file and image on your page will make a separate HTTP request to your server, which will slow down your page speed. Try to simplify your design and reduce the number of files your page needs to load. Reduce DNS lookup time. DNS lookup time is the time it takes for a browser to connect to a website server. One way to reduce DNS lookup time is to use a faster DNS provider. Use a content delivery network, CDN. CDNs distribute your content across multiple geographic locations. When a user requests a file from your site, the request is redirected to the closest available server, which speeds up response times. Implement browser caching. Browsers cache a lot of information such as style sheets, images, JavaScript files, etc. So when a user visits your website again, the browser doesn't have to reload the entire page. Minify JavaScript and CSS files. Minifying your CSS and JavaScript files involves eliminating unnecessary characters, like spaces and line breaks, from your code to reduce its size. Use asynchronous loading for CSS and JavaScript files. If you load your CSS and JavaScript files synchronously, they load one at a time, in the order they appear on the page. If you load them asynchronously, some of them can load simultaneously, speeding up the process. Reduce server response time. Your server response time can be affected by the amount of traffic you receive, the resources each page uses, the software your server uses, and the hosting solution you use. You should aim for a server response time of less than 200 ms. Avoid redirects where possible. Each time a page redirects to another page, your visitor faces additional waiting time for the HTTP request response cycle to complete. Prioritize above the fold content, also known as lazy loading, can improve user experience and page speed as it delays loading of images and other components that are below the fold. Regularly update website and plugins. Outdated themes, plugins, and other site elements can lead to increased load times. Ensure you regularly update all elements of your site. Remember, a fast website offers a better user experience, can improve your online visibility, and lead to higher conversion rates. Implement a mobile-friendly design. Mobile-friendly design, also known as responsive web design, is a way of designing or building a website that allows it to work on a variety of devices, from desktop computers to tablets and smartphones. It involves creating a site that is easy to navigate, visually appealing, and straightforward to use, regardless of the device that is being used to access it. The philosophy behind mobile-friendly design is to put the user first, resulting in a better experience on mobile devices, which now make up the majority of internet traffic. Implementing a mobile-friendly design involves several steps and considerations. Responsive layout. The layout should adapt to different screen sizes and resolutions to provide an optimal viewing experience. It is important to ensure that text and images resize appropriately and that menus and buttons function well on touch screens. Navigation. Menus and links should be accessible and easy to tap on smaller screens. This typically involves simplifying your site's navigation structure and using drop-down menus or hamburger icons to save space. Touch-friendly elements. Considering the fact that mobile users will be navigating the site with touch rather than a mouse, all interactive elements such as buttons, forms, and links should be large enough to tap and spaced well so that users don't misclick. Visibility of content. While having plentiful information and content is excellent, it's critical to keep the design clean and ensure that the most important information is visible without scrolling. Loading speed. Mobile users often have slower internet connections than desktop users, so it's crucial that the site loads quickly. This might include compressing images, minimizing code, and leveraging browser caching. Test across devices. Ensure your site works well on a variety of devices and screen sizes. This not only includes current iPhone and Android devices but also tablets and older smartphone models. SEO. SEO optimization in mobile-friendly design is never to be ignored. Google ranks mobile-friendly sites higher in mobile searches, which are now more frequent than desktop searches. Remember, implementing a mobile-friendly design is essential in today's digital landscape. With a surge in mobile users and Google's emphasis on mobile-first indexing, a mobile-friendly design is beneficial in enhancing user experience, improving SEO rankings, and accomplishing business objectives. Keep website navigation simple and intuitive. Website navigation plays a crucial role in the overall effectiveness and user experience of a website. The intuitiveness and simplicity of your website's navigation can determine the success of your website. Here's why it's crucial to keep website navigation simple and intuitive. Ease of use. A simple and intuitive navigation allows users to find information faster and easier. If customers can quickly find what they're looking for, they are likely to stay longer, which can lead to more conversions or sales. Improved user experience. By simplifying your website's navigation, you make it more user-friendly. A frustrating navigation system can deter users away. In contrast, a clear and logical navigation layout creates a seamless and enjoyable browsing experience. Improved SEO. Simple navigation is not only beneficial for users but also for search engines. A clear sitemap allows search engines to crawl and index your site easily, which can lead to better visibility and ranking. Lower bounce rate. A complicated or confusing navigation can increase your website's bounce rate, the percentage of users who leave your site after viewing only one page. Conversely, enhanced navigation encourages visitors to explore more content on your site, reducing the bounce rate. Increase in conversion rate. A simple and intuitive navigation system guides the user to the desired action. Whether it's purchasing a product, subscribing to a newsletter, or completing a form, easy navigation can increase conversion rates. Considering these factors, here are a few strategies to implement simple and intuitive navigation. Keep it consistent. The design and location of your menus should stay the same throughout your site. This provides a predictable and familiar experience for users. Use clear labels. Use clear and descriptive labels for your navigation options. Avoid jargon or industry-specific language that users may not understand. Limit menu items. Overloading your menu with too many options can be overwhelming. According to Miller's Law, most people can only hold about 7 items in their working memory. Strive to keep your main navigation limited to 7 options. Prioritize. Arrange your menu items according to their priority. Put the most important ones, e.g., products, services, about, up front, and less vital ones, e.g., terms of service, privacy policy, at the end or in the footer. Include a search function. A search bar allows users to find exactly what they are looking for, making straight-to-the-point navigation. Overall, keep the user in mind when designing your website navigation. It should make sense to the user, not just to you or your design team. Your website's navigation system should feel natural and intuitive, leading users exactly where they want to go with minimal effort. Alright everyone, that's all we have for today, but don't be disappointed because we have plenty more content lined up for you. In fact, why not jump right into this next video, where we delve deeper into some really fascinating topics. Click the link on your screen now, and prepare for another awesome journey. But before you do that, let's make sure you never miss out on any of our exciting content. How about hitting that subscribe button right now? It's a small act, but it means a lot to us and ensures that you always stay connected. While you're at it, how about giving us a like if you enjoyed today's content? Your likes help us understand what you enjoy and tailor our content to your preference. And hey, we'd love to hear your thoughts about this video. Feel free to drop a comment down below and let us know what you liked, what you didn't, or what you'd like to see in future videos. Your feedback is so important to us. Before you jump into the next video, make sure you've turned on post notifications. That little bell icon is your key to instant updates every time we post new content. It's like a backstage pass to all the latest action, so make sure it's activated. Let's keep the conversation going. Stay tuned, keep watching, and thank you once again for being an amazing part of our online community. Until next time.